What's up, traders? Welcome to my channel. So guys, today this video I'm about to share with you guys the secret of how you can trade the news, all the news that is happening in a forex market. Maybe might be CPI news, PPI news, NFP news, any kind of the news, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna share with you that secret, guys, you've been waiting for a long time. So I'm going to give you guys different ways that you can use to make money trading the news in a forex market. So this secret, guys, doesn't matter you're a beginner. This secret doesn't matter how long you've been trading the market. All you need is to follow what I'm about to share with you right now. So guys, remember what I said to you guys. Since you already subscribed to the channel, to this channel right here, you're going to learn everything about the forex market for free. All the secrets, guys, that I'm sharing with you guys is the secrets that took me a long time to learn, took me a long time to master, took me a lot of money in order to receive them in my knowledge. So everything that I'm going to share with you today, guys, make sure keep them as a gold, you know what I'm saying? Keep them as a diamond, because these are the things that are going to change your life. All right, so please, I'll ask you a favor, just like this video for me before I share with you anything right now, because this is going to be a life-changing strategy. So straight up, guys, we're going to investing.com. It's an application. If you don't have one, you can get it from Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can get it from App Store. Is this one right here. So this one, we're gonna use it to check the news that are going to be happening every single day in a week. You know what I'm saying? Every Monday you can check every single morning once you wake up. Before you start trading, you recommended to enter this application so that you might know which pair which is going to have a news for the day. That's gonna help you to trade without no fear, to continue with the direction that you in, because the news, guys, as you know, maybe you might be in a trade buying the currency, but once the news happens, it's gonna disturb your currency. Maybe it's gonna disturb your currency, maybe it's gonna change the direction just because of the news. So you need to check everything before you enter the trade, so that you know that the market today that I'm in is not going to have any news. So I'm still can swing the market, or I can get out from this market, because at this time it's going to have the news. So let's begin, guys, the that secret that you've been waiting for. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Juba Snipe. So you can, join our free Telegram group on description below. And the other thing, guys, from this time on, I'm back to trade with you, the news with you. You can join our team, you know what I'm saying, if you really want to be making money through the news, you know what I'm saying. And you can also join our free our VIP signal on Telegram, you know what I'm saying. We coming to kill the market. You're going to kill the market as I do. So straight up, let's begin with the secret. So as you know, guys, today at 2:30 we're gonna have news, which is going to be as you can see here, I'm checking the result for today. All right, I'm checking the result for today. So once you inside investing.com application, it's gonna show you everything. You can see here yesterday. If you click yesterday, it's gonna show you all the details for the things that have been happening yesterday. If you click at today, it's gonna show you everything that is going to be happening today. you know what I'm saying, and time and everything, you know what I'm saying. If you check by tomorrow here, tomorrow, it's gonna show you what is going to happen by tomorrow, so that you know tomorrow, you know what you're expecting. This is a very, very important application to have it as a forex trader. You must have it. All right, so now we're here. This is this week, which means it's gonna show you everything that's been happening this week. All right, so today we're only gonna be dealing with today, which is right here. All right, right here. So we're going to deal with today because we today, and I say, so let's check from today. How are you going to identify that the market is going to have the currency is going to have the news? Check this out. You can see this is the GBP. All right, this is GBPJPY. You can check the time and everything. You know what I'm saying? No news. This one doesn't have a news. So the secret is, in order to identify that the market is gonna have the news, check this out. You can see this head of the cow, this one. GBPJPY has only one head of the cow. GBPJPY has only one head of the cow. At 3 o'clock, GBPJPY has two heads of the cow. You see that? Keep watching. Okay, look at this. GBPJPY has only one head of the cow, two heads of the cow. Keep watching this. The secret is coming. All right. I'm trying to get you understand everything. All right. 8 o'clock. You can see here. 8 o'clock. GBPJPY has only one head, two heads of the cow. All right. So let's move on. This is today, right? All right. Let's check. Boom. You see right here. At 1 o'clock. ZAR has three heads of the cow. This is ZAR, I can see. This is ZAR, three heads of the cow. Which means at 1 o'clock, this one is gonna have news. All right, it's gonna have a news because it has three heads of the cow. And if you click inside in it, it's gonna show you the details about this news. All right, you can see here, you can see three head of the cow, currency ZAR, which is South African currency, you know what I'm saying? And you see the date and time and everything, all the details right here. All right, so let's go ahead. We just wanna check together the news for today. You know what I'm saying? We just wanna check the news for today together. All right, let's check. All right, so now you can see here USD. Here is the USD. USD has three heads of the cow. 1, 2, 3. All right. And you can see here, the name for the news is CPI. Mama. This is the news name. All right. So if we check down below, we got another news, which is going to be currency. It's going to be CPI news. You can see here, it's going to be CPI news. So now I want to give you the secret, and also we got another news. Today we have a lot of news, 1, 2, 3, 4 news at the same time, which maybe might be strong, you know what I'm saying? We will see. So we can see here we got another news, 1, 2, 3, which is this one right here. You can see everything. So let's check CPI news, because this is what I'm excited about. This one right here. So Boom. Let's check the secret, guys. Here is the secret. Keep this in your mind, right? So this one, you can see that says currency USD, 3 head of the cow, and you can see they also told you that important, which this is what you have to pay attention at. Important, read right here, important, 3 head of the cow, which this is very important. You know what I'm saying? Important. Currency USD, country United States, date, release date, which this is the release date. Guys, this is the big secret. Smash that like button, guys, below, because what I'm giving to you right now, I'm giving you something, guys. I don't know for sure. Click that like button below for sure. What I'm giving it to you guys is something that you were supposed to, you know what I'm saying, to hustle for it, but I'm just giving it to you like easy like that, you know what I'm saying. All right, so now we're gonna check how do we identify the direction of the news. All right, this is what we're here for. So we're gonna check right here. We need to pay attention in order to identify what is going to be the direction of this news. Pay attention to this previous right here and pay attention at actor right here. You see these two, guys? These two? This is what you need to pay attention at. Nothing else. Only these two. Then you know, yo, we're going to do this on the news. You know what I'm saying? So let me explain this. And this is going to be the end of the video because this is what we're here for today. You know what I'm saying? So when you see, guys, listen to me proper. When you see previous is bigger than actor, you know what I'm saying? Then you know that USD currency is gonna buy. Did you hear me nicely, guys? When you see previous is bigger than actor, that means USD pair is gonna sell. It's gonna sell. But XAUSD, which is gold, it's gonna sell. It's gonna sell, right? It's gonna sell. All right? Because when USD buys, gold is selling. You know what I'm saying? And when USD is dropping, gold is buying. This is how it is. So when you see actor at 0 than previous, then you know that USD currency, bro. Did you hear me nicely, guys? When you see actor is 0 than previous, then you know that USD currency is gonna sell and gold is gonna buy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna repeat this one more time. When you see actor is 0 than previous, then you know USD currency is gonna sell. It's gonna sell and gold is gonna buy. So this is the secret, guys. Go crazy. Do as I said. The other thing is, guys, once you enter the market, you can only trade the market, or you trade only 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right? 2 minutes and 30 seconds. As soon as you get to the profit, take your profit and go. All right? Take your profit and go. So the other thing, guys, make sure you're using a good broker when it comes to the news, because some other brokers, when it comes to the news, because is the moment market is gonna have a big spread, they're gonna give you a very, very big spread, which is not gonna be able to make a good money. So make sure your broker you're using, it's cool. That's the key. So peace, guys. I'm done for the day, and I have another strategy which I'm gonna share with you guys. You can use pending orders, which is coming. Keep paying attention. I hope it's gonna be the next video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do the like thing, subscribe to the channel, leave the like to the video, and you can join that free Telegram group if you want to see the result every single day. So peace, guys. I'm out. It's your boy here, secret every day, you know what I'm saying, tips every day, you know what I'm saying. I'm here for you guys, you know, guys. Me and you, we cool. All right, I'm out.